Good morning students. Welcome back to EVS class. My dear students, in our previous class, I have completed hard words from lesson number 2. The lesson name is Our Body. Lesson name is Our Body. My dear students, today I am going to write questions and answers. Before that, I want to give you short explanation about our body. Right children? Very good. My dear children, our body has two parts. Our body has two parts. One is upper body, second one is lower body. One is upper body, second one is lower body. Children, our upper body has again two parts. They are head and neck. Our upper body has again two parts. One is head, second one is neck. Right children? Have you understood? So students, our head has some other parts. Our head has some other parts. They are like eyes, nose, mouth, ears. Tongue is placed inside the mouth. Tongue is placed inside the mouth. See, this is our tongue. Okay, children? So, my dear students, eyes, nose, tongue, ears are called sense organs. Eyes, nose, tongue, ears are called sense organs. My dear students, we have one more sense organ, that is our skin. We have one more sense organ, that is our skin. Understood children? Eyes help us to see things around us. Eyes help us to see around us. Nose help us to breathe in and breathe out. Nose help us to breathe in and breathe out. Ears help us to listen to different sounds. Ears help us to listen different sounds. And tongue help us to taste different types of food items. Okay children? Have you understood? Very good. Next part is neck. So children, neck help us to hold our head straight. Neck help us to hold our head straight. Shoulders help us to carry heavy load, heavy things. Shoulders help us to carry goods and things. So arms. Arms help us to bend our hands. Arms help us to bend our arms. My dear children, these are our upper body parts. Now, lower body parts. My dear children, lower body has two legs. Our lower body has two legs. In each leg has one knee, one ankle, foot and toes. Our knees help us to bend our legs. Our knees help us to bend our legs. My dear children, each leg has 5 toes. So, we have 2 legs. So, how many toes we have? Yes, we have total 10 toes. Legs help us to walk, to run, to jump, to dance, etc. Okay children, got my point? Very good. Now, let us start our classwork notes. Before that, take out your EVS classwork notes, sharpen your pencil, and I will write on the board questions and answers. You also write along with me in good handwriting. Okay children? Shall I start? Very good. Second question, that is questions and answers. In our previous class, we completed hard words, no? today we will write questions and answers. Before that, mention today's date. What date is today? 28 9 20. Below that, write class work. QUESTIONS. 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 Write in good handwriting, children. Sharpen your pencil before start writing. A and D and. A N D and. Answers. A N S W E R S. Questions and answers. Question number 1. What are the first letter should be capital letter? W H A T. What? W H A T. What? R A R E. R. What are? The. T H E. What are the? What are the? Give finger gap, children. 1 or 2 finger gaps you have to give word to word. What are the parts of PARTS? Parts of of what? See here, finger gap I have given. Are the parts of our body. Our BODY. Put question mark. What are the parts of our body? What are the parts of our body, students? Yes, answer. Our body has how many parts? Has our body? Yes, our body has 2 parts. Our BODY, body. HAS, has. Our body has parts. TW goes to PARTS, parts. Our body has two parts. What are they? Upper body part, UP, PER. UPPER, upper body, upper body part. Our body has two parts. First part is upper body part. Right, children? Upper body part. Second part is lower body part. LOWER, lower body, 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 part. Upper body part, lower body part. What are the parts of our body? This is the first question. Our body has two parts. Upper body part, lower body part. These are our body two parts. Second one. Question number 2. Name the upper body parts. Upper body parts. Name the upper body parts. Our upper body parts are, the upper body parts are, answer ANS. The upper body parts are The upper body. The upper body parts are one head, second one. Tell me, what is the next part? Yes, neck, head and neck. Name the upper body parts. The upper body parts are, one is head, second one is neck. Okay children, this is today's classwork notes. So let us discuss about today's homework. See students, here, this is your diary work. Write lesson number 2. Write lesson number 2, questions and answers. First question answer and second question answer. You have to write one time in your rough notebook. Same, these question answers, these two question and answers you have to write in your rough notebook. That is today's homework. Okay. After completing your homework, take a photograph and send it to your EVS teacher's WhatsApp number. Have a nice day children.